How to do anonymous questions on Instagram. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for NGL. Download and install NGL Ask Me Anything. This app allows you to receive anonymous messages. Once installed, open the NGL app and tap Get Started. Choose Instagram as your platform, then enter your Instagram handle. Tap Continue and you can skip any optional steps. After that, tap Copy Link to save your unique anonymous message link. Now, open Instagram and tap the plus icon to create a new story. Select a photo or background. Then, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Scroll down and select the link sticker. Paste the NGL link into the URL field and tap Done. You can resize and position the sticker as needed. Add any text or decorations to make your story more engaging. When you're ready, tap Your Story to post it. Now, your followers will see the link in your story and can send you anonymous messages. You can check their responses in the NGL app. That's how to do anonymous questions on Instagram.